can you solve this algebra challenge? Here's the question. So given a cubed equals 2, then the question is, what is the numerical value of quantity a squared minus a plus 1 raised to the power of 3 minus 9a? Now pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the solution in 3, 2, 1. Given a cube equals 2, then the goal in this question is to find the numerical value of this expression, a squared minus a plus 1 quantity cube minus 9a. Now, to answer this question, what we're going to do is to use 3 concepts. So the first one is difference of 2 cubes. If we have x cubed minus y cubed, we can factor this out nicely as x minus y multiplied by x squared plus xy plus y squared. Another is the expansion of x plus y raised to the power of 3. So if we expand this using Pascal's triangle, we arrive at x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. And the last concept is the sum of 2 cubes. So if we have x cubed plus y cubed, we can factor this out nicely as x plus y multiplied by x squared minus xy plus y squared. So let's begin. Let's use our first concept, which is the sum of 2 cubes. Now, what we're going to do is to use the given, of course. So we have a cubed equals 2. Now, add 1 on both sides. If we do that, we have a cubed plus 1 equals 3. Now, this 1, we can simply rewrite this as 1 cubed. So we can say that x cubed plus 1 is the same thing as the sum of 2 cubes. Therefore, a cubed plus 1, we can factor this out nicely using this identity as a plus 1 multiplied by a squared minus a plus 1. Now, notice, we have a squared minus a plus 1, and we also have here a squared minus a plus 1. So to get the value of a squared minus a plus 1, let's divide both sides by a plus 1. So a squared minus a plus 1 simply equal to 3 over a plus 1. And what we're going to do is to substitute this expression to our given expression, like this. And then, if we cube 3 over a plus 1, we get something like 3 cubed over a plus 1 raised to the power of 3. Now, 3 cubed, definitely this is just 27. And then, a plus 1 raised to the power of 3, here comes our second identity. So the expanded form of x plus y raised to the power of 3. Now, applying this concept to this denominator a plus 1 cubed, we get a plus 1 cubed simply equal to a cubed plus 3a squared plus 3a plus 1. Therefore, we can replace the denominator as this expression. Now, what we're going to do here is to rearrange some terms a little bit. Let's put this a cube in this position. Now, a cubed plus 1, we know already this is just 3 because a cubed is equal to 2. So add 1 on both sides. So a cubed plus 1 simply equal to 3. And then, let's factor out 3 in the denominator. So we have 3 multiplied by a squared plus a plus 1. And now, 27 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3 simply equal to 9. Now, here comes the third concept, the difference of 2 cubes. And to use this, let's get our given. We have a cubed equals 2 again. Then, subtract 1 on both sides. So, have a cubed minus 1 equals 1. And we know 1 simply equal to 1 cubed. So, this is difference of 2 cubes. Therefore, we can factor this out nicely as a minus 1 multiplied by a squared plus a plus 1. And definitely, this is the same thing. And we can get this value by dividing both sides by a minus 1. Also, we can replace this denominator as 1 over a minus 1. Now, simplify this expression 9 over 1 over a minus 1. This will give us 9 multiplied by a minus 1. Now, distribute 9 to a and negative 1. This is just 9a minus 9. Combine like terms. 9a, positive 9a and negative 9a cancel out. This is just 0. Therefore, this value simply equal to 9. And this is our answer to this question. Therefore, given that a cubed equals 2, then the numerical value of a squared minus a plus 1 raised to the power of 3 minus 9a simply equal to negative 9. And as always, we are done.